My name's Justin, and this is Pisces Printing. So, it's been a while since I've uploaded anything. A lot of stuff has just kind of gotten hectic and crazy and all that, but I'm picking up where I left off with the 3D printed speakers. So I have 3 different enclosure types that we're going to be using today to test which one is better than the other ones. I have a laser cut 1mm thick plywood box, a 3D printed box out of PETG, and a 1mm thick polycarbonate that has been laser cut. So, yeah, we'll get started with that. Okay, so real quick, we'll see the 3 boxes and then we'll get to testing the boxes. So, first box up is the 1mm thick plywood box. I don't remember the exact internal dimensions of these, but I will post them up on the video. So, but we have plywood, polycarbonate, and PETG. So, this will be the driver that we're using. It's the driver from the very last video that I posted up. I like the way that this one's performing, so I think this will be the driver that I use for the next couple of videos. Yeah, so we'll get to putting this in there and testing it out. Hey, so I was doing the editing on that video and noticed that there's a little bit of like a continuity error. So the speaker boxes all had to have M2 inserts put in. For whatever reason, the laser cutter decided to cut them holes just a little too big. I need to probably work on that kerf offset on that to correct that. But the they all had M2 inserts put in, which is why the speakers, when they're being tested, have 3 M2 screws and 3 M3 screws. I use the M3 screws just to block off the extra holes so that air wasn't escaping. Yeah, so just figured I'd clarify up that, because I don't think I got that on camera. So, yeah. Okay, so ran my little test. Personally, I think that the wood box performs the best, which is probably why we use wood for speaker boxes. I don't know what you guys thought. So yeah. Let me know in the comments down below which one you thought was the best sounding. I'm working on getting an actual microphone setup going. The camera that I bought doesn't actually have a microphone input on it. So these videos are now being shot on an actual DSLR camera versus the GoPro that I had been using for previous videos. So hopefully this doesn't lead to any quality issues or anything like that. Yeah. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. Yeah. Thanks for watching.